Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Gear Insider, your go-to channel for smart and budget-friendly automotive finds. Today, we're diving into 25 new pickup truck accessories under $50, perfect for upgrading your truck without spending a fortune. From practical tools to clever add-ons that boost convenience and organization, these picks are designed to improve your daily driving experience. Whether you use your truck for work or adventure, there's something here for you. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leather car seat covers. The leather car seat covers transform your truck interior with comfort and elegance. I love the premium faux leather material that feels soft yet durable, resisting spills, stains, and wear. Installation is simple with adjustable straps, fitting most truck seats snugly. They protect your original seats while enhancing the cabin's overall look, providing a luxurious touch. The covers are easy to clean with a damp cloth, saving time on maintenance. Whether you're commuting daily, road tripping, or hauling gear, these seat covers add comfort, style, and protection. For any truck owner who wants a polished, high-end interior, they're a practical and attractive upgrade. Flip-up Dodge Ram cover. The flip-up Dodge Ram cover combines security and accessibility for your truck bed. I love its innovative design that allows one-handed operation, making loading and unloading quick and effortless. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, it protects cargo from rain, dust, and sun damage. Installation is straightforward, and the cover locks securely for added peace of mind. For Dodge Ram owners, this accessory enhances both utility and style, keeping cargo safe without compromising ease of access. Whether transporting tools, groceries, or outdoor gear, the flip-up cover is a versatile, durable solution that makes every day easier while maintaining your truck's rugged aesthetic. Dodge Ram Rain Guards. The Dodge Ram Rain Guards are a simple yet effective accessory for truck owners who want to keep the interior dry while ventilating windows. I love the sleek aerodynamic design that allows air circulation without letting rain in. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, they fit perfectly along window edges and can withstand harsh conditions. Installation is easy with adhesive backing, and the guards stay secure over time. Whether you're commuting in a drizzle or keeping the cabin fresh during hot days, these rain guards provide comfort and protection. For Dodge Ram enthusiasts, they're an affordable upgrade that adds practicality and style. Heavy-duty pickup tailgate net. The heavy-duty pickup tailgate net is perfect for truck owners who want to secure their cargo while traveling to the golf course or other destinations. Made from reinforced, weather-resistant material, this net stretches to hold your equipment tightly in place, preventing items from shifting or falling off during transit. Its easy install design allows it to attach quickly to any standard pickup tailgate, saving time while enhancing safety. Ideal for transporting clubs, gear, or even groceries, the heavy-duty tailgate net combines convenience, durability, and reliability. Keep your cargo secure, reduce distractions while driving, and protect your belongings with this essential pickup accessory for every driver. WaterShield UTV Cargo Cover. The WaterShield UTV Cargo Cover is an essential accessory for anyone using a utility vehicle or pickup for golf trips or outdoor adventures. Crafted with high-quality waterproof material, it protects your cargo from rain, dust, and debris, keeping your gear safe and dry. Its adjustable straps ensure a snug fit over a variety of cargo bed sizes, while its lightweight, foldable design makes storage simple when not in use. Perfect for golfers transporting equipment or outdoor enthusiasts carrying tools and supplies, WaterShield adds convenience and peace of mind. Durable, versatile, and easy to use, this cargo cover is a must-have for keeping your belongings protected on every journey. MaxTow 2-inch Hitz Receiver. MaxTow 2-inch Hitz Receiver is a versatile tool for anyone who needs to tow trailers, golf carts, or additional cargo securely. Designed with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures maximum strength and durability for all towing applications. The powder-coated finish resists rust and corrosion, providing long-lasting performance even in tough weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, fitting most standard trucks and SUVs without hassle. With MaxTow, you can transport golf carts, trailers, or extra gear confidently, knowing your hitch is strong and reliable. Whether heading to the course or hauling supplies, this 2-inch Hitz receiver adds convenience, safety, and peace of mind to every trip. ProSecure Ratchet Tie Straps. ProSecure ratchet tie straps are a must-have for anyone transporting equipment, whether it's golf gear, luggage, or outdoor tools. These straps are built from durable, high-strength polyester webbing, ensuring your cargo stays tightly secured during every trip. The ratchet mechanism allows for precise tensioning, making it easy to lock down items of all sizes without slipping. Ideal for trucks, trailers, or UTVs, ProSecure straps provide peace of mind when driving over bumpy terrain or long distances. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store, they're perfect for golfers and adventurers alike. Keep your gear safe and stable while traveling with these reliable tie-down straps.
Easy Lower Truck Tailgate Assist. The Easy Lower Truck Tailgate Assist is a smart accessory for anyone who wants smoother tailgate operation. This device uses gas-assisted technology to control the tailgate's descent, preventing sudden drops that could damage your gear or cause injury. Installation is simple and compatible with most trucks, making it an essential upgrade for everyday use. Perfect for golfers, contractors, or anyone frequently loading and unloading heavy items, Easy Lower improves safety and convenience while extending the life of your tailgate. With this assist system, opening and closing your tailgate becomes effortless and controlled, giving you confidence and ease during every trip or outdoor adventure. Trimax Chrome Trailer Hitch. The Trimax Chrome Trailer Hitch combines durability and style, making it perfect for towing trailers, golf carts, or other equipment. Crafted from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, it's resistant to rust and corrosion while adding a sleek, professional look to your vehicle. Designed for easy installation, this hitch fits most standard trucks and SUVs securely. Whether you're heading to the golf course, moving gear, or towing recreational equipment, Trimax provides strength and reliability. Its sturdy construction ensures safety during every trip, while the chrome finish enhances the vehicle's appearance. A functional and stylish accessory, it's a must-have for any truck owner.
Ford Maverick Button Cover. The Ford Maverick button cover upgrades the interior look while protecting frequently used buttons from wear. I love this sleek, polished finish, which adds a modern touch to the dashboard. Installation is easy. Simply snap it over existing buttons without any tools. It helps prevent scratches and keeps your truck looking new even with regular use. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance, resisting fading or cracking. For Ford Maverick owners who value both aesthetics and functionality, this small accessory makes a noticeable difference. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your truck's interior style while extending the life of your dashboard components. Ford F-150 Underseat Organizer. The Ford F-150 Underseat Organizer is a brilliant solution for truck owners needing extra storage. It fits neatly under the rear seats, keeping tools, emergency gear, or personal items organized and out of sight. I love the durable, water-resistant material that withstands daily wear and tear. Adjustable compartments allow you to customize storage based on your needs. Its compact design doesn't interfere with seating or legroom, making it perfect for families, tradespeople, or outdoor enthusiasts. For anyone looking to maximize interior space without clutter, this organizer is a game changer. It keeps your truck neat, accessible, and practical for every adventure. Hard Tri-Fold Ram Cover. The Hard Tri-Fold Ram Cover offers heavy-duty protection for your truck bed while allowing quick access to cargo. I love its sleek, low-profile design, which complements the truck's rugged look while improving aerodynamics. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it shields your belongings from rain, sun, and dust. The tri-fold design allows partial or full coverage, giving flexibility for different cargo sizes. Installation is simple with no permanent modifications, and it stays securely in place during highway drives. For truck owners who need both protection and convenience, this cover is a reliable, stylish solution that enhances functionality without compromising style. Mole Car Visor Organizer. The Mole Car Visor Organizer is a smart way to maximize storage inside your truck. I love its modular design, inspired by tactical Mole systems, which allows you to attach pouches for sunglasses, pens, documents, or other small essentials. The durable construction ensures it withstands daily wear, while the secure straps keep it firmly in place on your visor. It's perfect for drivers who want easy access to essentials without cluttering the dashboard. Installation is quick, and the versatile pockets can be customized based on your needs. For anyone who values organization and efficiency, this visor organizer is a practical, stylish, and durable solution to keep your truck interior tidy and items within reach at all times. Is the digital tire tread gauge. The digital tire tread gauge is essential for monitoring tire health and ensuring safe driving. I love the precise digital readout, which measures tread depth in seconds, helping prevent accidents caused by worn-out tires. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your glove box or toolbox. The device is simple to use. Just press the gauge against the tire and the depth measurement appears instantly. Accurate and reliable, it's perfect for truck owners who want to maintain peak performance and extend tire life. For those who prioritize safety, this small tool with a big impact, giving peace of mind and helping avoid costly replacements. Is the portable clip-on stroller fan. The portable clip-on stroller fan is an unexpected but handy truck accessory for families on the go. I love its flexible clip and adjustable head, which allow you to attach it to strollers, seats, or even cup holders in your truck for cooling airflow. The rechargeable battery provides hours of operation, making it perfect for road trips, summer drives, or outdoor activities. Lightweight and quiet, it keeps passengers comfortable without distractions. The fan also works for small workspaces, camping, or anytime you need portable ventilation. For truck owners with kids or anyone who values comfort on warm days, this accessory is practical, versatile, and surprisingly useful, both inside and outside the vehicle. Folding car tailgate table. The folding car tailgate table is perfect for tailgating, camping, or even roadside meals. I love its sturdy design and foldable mechanism, which makes setup and storage incredibly easy. It attaches securely to your truck's tailgate, providing a stable surface for food, drinks, tools, or gadgets. The table is weather-resistant, so spills or outdoor conditions aren't an issue, and its compact size allows it to fit in most trucks without hassle. Whether you're hosting a tailgate party or just need a portable workspace, this accessory is highly versatile. For truck owners who enjoy outdoor activities, it's a simple upgrade that adds convenience and functionality in one sleek package. Tesla Model Y Organizer Tray. The Tesla Model Y Organizer Tray keeps your truck's interior tidy and accessible. Designed specifically for Tesla Model Y but compatible with other trucks, it fits seamlessly in the center console or glove box area. I love the multiple compartments that store phones, cards, coins, and other small items neatly. Its durable construction ensures it withstands daily use without warping or breaking. Installation is effortless. Just slide it in and start organizing. For anyone who hates clutter and wants quick access to essentials while driving, this tray is a lifesaver. It's practical, sleek, and adds a touch of sophistication to your truck's interior, making it both functional and stylish. 48PC LED Car Interior Kit. The 48PC LED Car Interior Kit brings a customizable lighting experience to your truck. With multiple colors and modes, you can instantly upgrade the interior ambiance to match your mood. I love that it's easy to install with adhesive backing and USB or 12V power compatibility. Whether you want subtle accent lighting or vibrant illumination for nighttime drives, this kit offers flexibility. The LEDs are energy efficient, durable, and provide even light distribution without flickering. For anyone looking to add personality and style to their truck, this lighting kit transforms the interior in minutes. It's fun, practical, and makes every drive feel more premium. Truck bed tie-down straps. The truck bed tie-down straps are essential for securing heavy or awkward cargo. I love their adjustable design, which fits various load sizes and shapes, keeping everything in place during transport. Made from high-strength materials, they resist wear and stretching, ensuring reliable performance. The ratchet mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, providing a secure hold without damaging your cargo or truck bed. Perfect for work, hauling gear, or outdoor adventures, these straps prevent shifting loads and reduce the risk of accidents. For any truck owner who frequently carries heavy items, these tie-down straps are a must-have for safety and convenience. Ram 1500 TPE floor liners.
The Ram 1500 TPE floor liners provide ultimate protection for your truck's interior floors. I love the rugged, non-slip design that keeps dirt, mud, and spills contained, making cleaning a breeze. Made from high-quality TPE material, they resist cracking, fading, and warping, ensuring long-lasting durability. The custom fit ensures full coverage without interfering with pedals or seating. Perfect for everyday use, off-road trips, or worksite commutes, these floor liners protect your investment and maintain the truck's interior appearance. For Ram 1500 owners, they're an essential accessory that combines practicality, durability, and style, keeping your cabin clean and looking brand new. GMC Canyon Truck Cover. The GMC Canyon Truck Cover is a must-have for protecting your truck from the elements. I love that it's made from durable, weather-resistant material that shields your truck from rain, snow, dust, and harmful UV rays. Its custom fit ensures full coverage without sagging or flapping in the wind, and installation is simple with adjustable straps that keep it securely in place. The cover is lightweight, easy to fold, and comes with a storage bag for convenience. Perfect for everyday parking or long-term outdoor storage, it prevents scratches, fading, and rust, keeping your truck looking brand new. For GMC Canyon owners, this accessory offers peace of mind and reliable protection, whether you're on the road or parked at home. Hummer EV Console Lockbox. The Hummer EV Console Lockbox is a game changer for keeping valuables safe inside your truck. It fits neatly within the center console and offers secure storage for items like wallets, phones, or important documents. I love its solid construction and lock mechanism, which provides peace of mind whether you're parked at home or on the road. Installation is straightforward and it doesn't take up extra space, preserving the console's functionality. The lockbox is also designed to withstand daily wear, making it durable for long-term use. For anyone driving a Hummer EV or similar truck, this lockbox combines practicality with security, making it a must-have accessory for truck owners who value both convenience and safety. Car Interior Detailing Kit. The Car Interior Detailing Kit is a must-have for truck owners who care about cleanliness. It includes brushes, microfiber cloths, and specialized cleaners for dashboards, vents, seats, and carpets. I love how comprehensive it is, allowing me to tackle every corner without missing spots. The products are gentle on surfaces, but highly effective at removing dust, grime, and stubborn stains. Compact and portable, the kit fits neatly in your glove box or trunk for on-the-go detailing. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or just maintaining a spotless interior, this kit makes cleaning simple and enjoyable. For truck enthusiasts, it's an essential tool to keep your ride looking pristine.
Hummer EV Gear Shift Trim. The Hummer EV Gear Shift Trim enhances the look and feel of your truck's interior instantly. Crafted with high-quality materials, it adds a sleek, modern finish to your gear shift area. I love the precise fit, which installs effortlessly without any modifications. Beyond aesthetics, it's also resistant to scratches and fingerprints, keeping your console looking clean and polished. For those who enjoy personalizing their truck interior, this trim is an affordable upgrade that creates a refined, premium feel. It's subtle but impactful, adding both style and durability to a frequently touched component of your Hummer EV or other compatible trucks.
Retractable Dodge Ram Cover. The retractable Dodge Ram cover is a perfect solution for protecting your truck bed while maintaining easy access. I love its smooth rolling mechanism, which allows you to extend or retract the cover effortlessly. It shields cargo from weather, dust, and prying eyes, enhancing security and durability. Installation is straightforward, and the cover fits snugly without gaps. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes daily use simple, while still providing reliable protection for heavy loads. For Dodge Ram owners who frequently haul equipment, groceries, or outdoor gear, this retractable cover adds convenience, security, and peace of mind without compromising the truck's rugged appearance.
That's it for our list of 25 new pickup truck accessories under $50. I hope you found some useful and affordable upgrades for your truck. If any of these products caught your eye, Check the links in the description on Auto Gear Insider for pricing and more details. Let me know in the comments which accessory you like the most or what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.